the Aloft Gran Via, which is like street in central, like kind of the Belly Hills like area of Madrid. So, and we got a room upgrade, so let's check this out. Oh, look at this. Yo, what? Sweet. They gave us an upgrade to a higher floor, 701. Dang, look at this view. It's freaking awesome. Wow. Thank you, Aloft Gran Via. You guys are awesome for upgrading me. Right, I think we're gonna freshen up, take a little nap, and then get up, and we have a tapas crawl tonight on TripAdvisor. So, catch you guys then.
So this is their favorite stew. Instead of having a bowl of stew, it's a little pastry casing as well. And then our next one is the underbelly of the pig. It's got the skin on the outside fresh. They're cooked in their own olive oil.
Fresh off the hammer. Like, we just finished our Devour Tour, tapas tour for the evening in Madrid. Since this is our last night here, wow, that tour is really good, guys. Awesome recommendation. I would totally recommend them for a tour next time if you guys are ever here in Madrid. So check them out. I'll probably drop a link in the comments. And yeah, so we're gonna go check out the market right now. We are in what they call the Times Square of Spain, of Madrid, basically. And apparently this clock here is basically their Times Square clock. And everybody comes here on New Year's, eats some grapes, and has a tour. Yeah, so supposedly the tradition here on New Year's Day is that, or New Year's Eve, is that you come here, eat one grape every, like, I think it's like every minute, or every hour or something. And you're supposed to eat 12 grapes for good luck for the year, for one grape for every month. And apparently it's a tradition here. And yeah, if I ever get a chance to come back here to Spain, I would, for New Year's Eve, I would definitely go ahead and try that out. So look it up. Alright guys, so we are at that famous churro place where you do chocolate dip for the churro. So I got one of those chocolate churros, and then I also got a café con leche, and we're going to try it out and see what this is all about. Leche, look at that, that looks super chocolatey. I don't really know what to do. Look at this chocolatey. Oh wow, that is so good. Oh my god. Wow. It looks really thick, but it's actually not as thick as what it looks like. Actually, pretty smooth. Not that sweet either. Very interesting. There's this churro here. Dip it in there. Chocolate recharger. Oh, still all over the table. Okay. Oh man, wow. It's crispy, fluffy, really light, really light. Wow. This. Yeah, wow. Really good. Yes. Yes. Oh man, this is good coffee, guys. On a Friday night, 10:30, after a couple of drinks, coffee will definitely sober you up. So we are going to head back to one of the plaza markets right now, have some food, maybe grab one more drink for the evening, and then we'll call it a night. We are headed off to Barcelona tomorrow on the speed rail, and so join me for that. See you guys tomorrow.